Steps to create a physical standby. Configure Oracle Net. That's got to be done. And the Oracle Net understanding we need is possibly greater than some of you will have at the moment. Then there's some preparatory steps on the primary database and instance. You can create a DataGuard environment with zero downtime, absolutely zero downtime, if certain conditions are met. Not much, but generally speaking, you can instantiate a DataGuard environment with zero downtime. The preparatory steps, with a very few exceptions, can all be done while the system is running. Having done those preparatory steps on the primary, we create the standby database and instance. Note the terminology. We have to be very precise in terminology here. We have a database. What's a database? Physical structures, files on disk. And we have the instance. The instance is processes and memory structures. The database is persistent. It exists until you deliberately remove it. The instance is transient. It can be started and stopped. We have to be precise in our terminology and make a distinction between the database and the instance. Having created the database, the standby database instance, start the redo propagation deploy, and then confirm that everything is functioning. So those are the steps we're going to do